the web we once knew is slipping through our fingers. According to Reddit co-founder Alexis Ohanian, the age of genuine human connection online is fading. He warns that bots and artificial intelligence now dominate the digital realm. The idea that real people are vanishing from the internet has circulated for years under the label of the dead internet theory. Ohanian believes that this once fringe idea is now turning into reality. In his recent remarks, Ohanian said that what we experience on social networks, forums, and comment threads is no longer primarily human. It is instead a vast sea of synthetic interactions and automated content. Cybersecurity data from 2024 already showed that more than half of internet traffic originates from bots. The lines between reality and simulation are blurring so deeply that users can no longer tell whether they are arguing, chatting, or creating alongside people or programs. This is the central fear of the dead internet theory. It does not predict a technical collapse, but rather the quiet disappearance of authenticity. When machines speak to machines, the network remains active but becomes lifeless. The user scrolls through endless movement, yet nothing truly lives there. Ohanian predicts that in the near future, social networks will require proof that a person is alive in order to participate. New digital platforms will introduce biometric or neural verification to separate authentic users from synthetic ones. The web may soon divide into two distinct layers. One will be a protected zone of verified humans communicating in real time. The other will be an open and endless ocean of artificial content created, consumed, and recycled entirely by algorithms. From a futurist perspective, this division may reshape civilization itself. If most online content becomes self-generated, human culture could begin to echo its own simulations. Artificial agents may start to model collective human behavior, learning from past data to imitate how society thinks, argues, and dreams. At some point, these systems could evolve into digital organisms that continue cultural evolution without human input. The internet would then become a self-sustaining biosphere of code, indifferent to whether humans are still present. In such a world, truth and meaning will fragment. News, art, and history may be rewritten continuously by algorithms that no one controls. Personal identity could dissolve as synthetic personas begin to act, post, and interact autonomously. The last authentic spaces will be small human enclaves protected by strong verification systems and bound by trust rather than virality. Yet Ohanian remains cautiously optimistic. He sees a future where humanity reclaims smaller, slower, and more intentional online communities. In this vision, people will use artificial intelligence not as a mask, but as a mirror, a way to understand what it truly means to be alive. The coming decade will decide whether the internet becomes an archive of human memory or a ghostly simulation of it. The dead internet is no longer a myth. It is a mirror held up to the world we are creating right now.